Hey boys and girls, it's Miss Tigner here for our phonics lessons for this week. Our learning target for this week is I can use the ending of words to help me read and understand new words and phrases. So boys and girls, we can change the endings of words to make new words and to have a new meaning. Today we're going to learn about the word ending S. We have talked about adding S to words, and when we add the S to words, we can make the word plural. So plural means more than one. So let's look at the word dog. This word dog means there's only one dog. However, when I add the letter S, I will make the word dogs. The word dogs will mean that I will have 2 dogs or 3 dogs or 5 dogs. I will have more than one dog. So we'll say, for example, I have 2 dogs. So this will mean that I will have dogs. Let's look at the word cat. The word cat means only one cat. When I add S to the word cat, I will say cats. That means that I will have 2 cats, 3 cats, or 100 cats. Here's this next word, pancake. So for breakfast, you may only have one pancake. But if I add S to the word pancakes, you must be very hungry. You can eat 2 pancakes, 3 pancakes, or 5 pancakes. So you'll have more than one pancake when you add S, pancakes. Thank you for listening, boys and girls. And for your lesson, you're going to write 2 words that will have the word ending of S. And for a challenge, if you're up to it, you can use one of those words with the word ending of S in a sentence. I can't wait to see your great work today.